Good day and welcome to today's tutorial class. My name is Oluwatunde Blessing Olalekon, the founder of Tech. Today we will be producing the problem as displayed on the screen using Autodesk Inventor CAD. Alright, the very first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Start 2D Sketch, pick my YZ plane, alright, pick a line, just draw it vertically to the origin, then horizontally like this. Then I'm going to pick my dimension. With my dimension on the horizontal plane, that is going to be the mark of 23.75 plus 51.25 plus 36.25. Did I get that right? No, I am wrong. Okay. I think that's it. Yeah, plus 51.25. That's it. Okay. Then what? Enter. That's 75. Okay. Then the height of this. The height is going to be 50. 50. Enter. Alright. So I'm going to pick my fillet. Fillet of radius 18.75. Alright. Then I'm going to do it right here and right here. Then what? I'm going to finish my sketch. Alright, so finishing my sketch like that, I'm going to okay. I'm going to pick plane, pick this and this. Then I'm going to create sketch right there. I'm going to draw a circle of diameter 57.5, enter, followed by circle of, okay, this one I'm going to use 18, okay, circle of 47.5, enter. So I'm going to click this all over again. Then I'm drawing another circle of 20, enter. Then another circle of 25, enter. So right at the top here, I'm drawing a circle of diameter 5, enter. So I'm going to pick my circular pattern constraint. I'm going to pick the circle, I'm going to pick this arrow, I'm going to pick this, then I'm going to change this to 4. Alright, then what? Okay. So having it in that order, I'm going to finish my sketch. So finishing my sketch, let me just hide this plane of 18. Yeah, I'm going to hide that. So having this right now, I'm going to click on sweep. With my sweep, I'm going to click on this. Alright, I'm going to click on select this, then what? Okay. Then after that, I'm going to sketch 2, I'm going to make it visible. My sketch 2, make it visible. I'm going to click on extrude. I'm going to click on, oh no, that's a mistake. Extrude this and this distance of 5, then towards the inside like this. Okay, yeah, towards the inside, solid like that. Alright, so then I'm going to okay. So let me hide this sketch 2 very well with it. Now that's been settled, I'm going to come right here. I'm going to, okay, before I do that, so let me actually check my origin. Yeah, YZ plane. Picking my YZ plane, I'm going to create sketch. Creating my sketch, I'm going to slice the graphics. I'm going to project cut edges in that order. Alright, after doing that, I'm going to actually draw a line somewhere from the point like this. Okay, after doing that, I'm going to draw another line like this. Okay, and I'm going to draw another one like this. I'm going to pick my dimension. Alright, with my dimension, I'm going to dimension from the top here to this midpoint here to be 17.5. Enter. Alright, the whole of this to be 10. Enter. And from here to here to be 7.5. Enter. Okay, after doing that, the distance from this center to this place right here is going to be 36.25. Enter, like that. So can you see that on my screen? Okay, so right here I'm going to do the center. I'm going to draw a line from the center like this to the top, followed by this. Okay, then I'm going to draw this like this, like this. Then I'm going to draw this all the way to the bottom. Then using my dimension, okay, using my dimension, I'm going to make the whole of this 10. Alright, and from here to here to be 7.5 settled also. Alright, then from the midpoint there to the top here, I'm going to make that height okay, 28.75. 75. Enter. Is that going to work for me? No. So distance from here to here, I'm going to make it 0, like that. So perfect. Okay, so what else am I going to do? I'm going to finish my sketch. Finishing my sketch, I'm going to pick my revolve command. I'm going to pick this axis, this, then okay. Alright, I'm going to share sketch. Okay, I'm going to pick revolve command also. I'm going to come all the way here like this. I'm going to pick this, select axis, this, then what? Okay, so I'm having gaps there, so let me fill the gaps first of all. So right here I'm going to click on this face, create sketch, like that. I'm going to click on project cut edges, like that. Then I'm going to click on extrude. Okay, so I pick this and this, then I click to next, like that, then okay. Alright, so the area is settled. So coming all the way down here, I'm going to do this like this. I'm going to click on this face like this. I'm going to create a sketch also, like that. Alright, I'm going to click on cut edges, project cut edges, extrude. With my extrude I pick this, then I pick that also, then I pick to next. Alright, then I click OK also. So after doing that, I'm going to come all the way to this area here. I'm going to click on this surface here. I'm going to create sketch right here. I need to make a hole there. So I don't even, let me just click on project cut edges, finish, clicking on extrude. That's going to be this. Okay, that's going to be at 36.25, right? 36.25, and that's going to be cut. Then what? Okay, so with that I'm having this like this. Can you see that? Alright, so that's settled like that. I'm going to click on this surface. I'm going to start to the sketch on it like that. I'm going to click on project cut edges. After doing that, I'm going to pick my circle from the midpoint here, a circle of diameter 25, like that. Over here a circle of diameter 10. Enter. over here a circle of diameter 10, enter. Alright, so I'm going to pick my dimension. Okay, from the midpoint to this area here, I'm making it 17.5, enter. Then from the midpoint to this, that's going to be what, 17.5, enter. So doing that, I'm going to pick my line and draw it tangentially from here to here, from here to here, from here to here, from here to here. I'm going to use my tangential constraints. Okay, this to this, this to this, this to this, settled already, this to this, this to this, okay, this to this, this to this, and this to this. Alright, hope nothing is amiss here. I think something is amiss here. I can see that. So from this center right here to this right here, distance of no, that's a mistake. From the midpoint here to the midpoint here, distance of 0, enter. Okay, I'm good to go. Finish sketch. So finishing my sketch, I'm going to click on extrude. Oh, sorry, Ctrl Z. I made a mistake. It remains one more circle. Okay, 2 more circles perhaps. So I'm going to click my circle of diameter 5, enter. Diameter 5, enter. I'm going to pick my trim command. I'm going to trim this, and this. Then what? Finish sketch. Okay, finishing my sketch, I'm going to make this like this. Okay, so I'm going to click on extrude, distance of 3.75 to the bottom like this. Then what? Okay, so I'm going to shear sketch, extrude only this internal one. Okay, distance of 28 to cut. Then what? Okay, so as it is like this, I'm having this on the inside like that. Okay, like that. All right, so I can turn this like this and have this like this. So let me just hide all these sketches. Oh, where is this coming from? Sketch 3. Okay, now what else at the top here? I'm going to what? Create sketch. Okay, my rectangle, I'm going to pick 2 point center rectangle. I'm going to draw it 50 by 50, enter. Alright, in that manner. Then my fillet of what? Of 5, here to here, here to here, here down here, and here to here. Okay, then my circle of diameter 5, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So then I'm going to what? I'm going to click on project cut edges, then what? Finish sketch. And I'm going to pick my extrude, pick this surface, distance of 5, then towards the inside like that. Then what? Solid. Then what? Okay. All right, so here comes the production of the object as displayed on the screen right there. So any other addition additives? Yeah, let me just beautify it with something like let's pick something. Is that okay? No, something like this. All right, then view, visual style, realistic. So something like this is okay for it. All right, so that is the production of the object as displayed on the screen using Autodesk Inventor. My name remains Oluwatumbi Blessing Olalekon, the founder of Michael Tech. Kindly ensure you subscribe to this YouTube channel and also refer it to your friends who might be in need of it. Thank you.